Are you tired of pretending your chairs don't have that mysterious stain? Want to make your furniture look fresh and fabulous again without all the hassle? Stay with me because I'm about to show you how the VAX Platinum SmartWash Carpet Cleaner can be your new best friend for spotless, stain-free upholstery. Honestly, it's easier than you think and way more fun than calling in a professional. Let's get started. Today we'll be focusing on how to get the most out of the hose and the tool. This is the hose and the tool kit that comes with the VAX Platinum SmartWash. It's super handy for reaching those tricky spots, think stairs, upholstery, or even car seats. This is the 2-in-1 antimicrobial tool, which is suitable for use on upholstery and carpeted stairs. It's perfect for reaching into crevices. To replace the brushes, you just need to flip it like that and it comes off easily. And you can also replace it by clicking like that and click in place like that, and you're good to go. So as simple as lifting it from there and clipping the other brush in place. And this is the spin scrub hand tool and is suitable for targeting stains and stubborn marks on rugs and carpet. It also comes with this hose that needs to be connected to your Platinum SmartWash. To connect the hose, go ahead and open the hose connection port cover and push the hose end and hose solution connector into the hose connection port, just like that. And now your hose is connected to the Platinum SmartWash. And since I'm planning to clean my dining chairs, I'm going to go ahead and use the 2-in-1 antimicrobial tool. To attach it, I'm simply sliding the tool over the tab at the end of the hose until it clicks into place, just like that. The hose comes with this trigger, which you'll be using to release water and the soap solution while cleaning the sofas or chairs. To remove the upholstery tool, just press the button at the top of the tool and pull to remove. To attach the spin scrub tool, attach it at the end of the hose until it clicks into place. And if you want to remove the spin scrub tool, just lift the clear plastic clip over the button at the end. Since I'm planning to clean my dining chairs, I went ahead and attached the 2-in-1 antimicrobial tool, just like that. Then I went ahead and filled the clean water tank with warm water, which should be around 40 degrees, and put it into the Platinum SmartWash. I also filled the solution tank with the VAX carpet cleaning solution, which is a recommended solution to use, and slide it to the machine. The setup is now complete. Now it's time to go ahead and clean the dining chairs. So this is one of the chairs I'm going to clean today. As you can see, it looks filthy. I mean, it just looks gross. So I've got 6 of these dining chairs that I'm going to clean today. So make sure you stay all the way to the end, as I will show you how the chairs look after cleaning. And I also give you my honest rating of the Platinum SmartWash when it comes to upholstery. I'm also planning to make another video soon to show you how the spin scrub hand tool works, so be sure to look out for that. When it comes to using the hose and the tools, make sure the machine is in upright position, and this will deactivate the brushes. Then I went ahead and turned on the pedal to switch on the machine. When using the 2-in-1 tool, pressing the trigger releases the water and solution, and releasing the trigger picks up the water and solution. So just bear that in mind, and you should not use more than 4 wet strokes over any one area to avoid oversaturating the place. As you can see here, I'm not pressing the trigger, so it's picking up the water from the chair. So far I've only done 1 water release stroke, and you can tell the difference. So I think it's doing what it's supposed to do, which is amazing. Here is a close-up look of the dry stroke where the trigger is released. As you can see, there's water passing through and drying the chair. And by the way, when I was shooting this video, there was this beautiful rainbow through the window. I just could not resist but to include it in this video. Just a reminder of God's promise towards us, which is great. So according to the manual, it advises you to press the trigger on the forward stroke to release the water solution and to release the trigger on the backward stroke to pick up the water solution. So here all the cleaning is being completed. I'm just drying the chairs to get rid of any excess water. In order to achieve a dry finish, continue using the dry stroke, which is the trigger released, until little water is visibly passing through the tool. Here is a finished look of the chair. It looks amazing. I'm well pleased on how it turned out. It looks nice and refreshed. Do let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts so far. Here's a quick look of the dirty water tank. As you can see, the chair was proper filthy. That water looks disgusting. So these are one of the 6 chairs, and I'm going to go ahead and clean them and see how they turn out. As you can see, they're not as bad as the last one. So here's a final look of the chairs. They've all been cleaned using the hose and tools, which I think it did a brilliant job to refresh these chairs. Looking at the wetness, the chairs are not as wet as I thought they were going to be, so I think you did a great job. And this is the dirty waters for the 6 chairs, which I think is not too bad. So here are a few things that you need to bear in mind while you're using the hose and tools. Make sure you're using hard floor when you're cleaning chairs. As you can see, there's a lot of water being dispensed and it goes down on the floor, and you don't want this to land on your carpet. And when it comes to stubborn marks, I had this mark on one of the chair which I tried to scrub but did not come off really well as I thought it should. So maybe I need to spend more time on it, but I did not have enough time to go through this, so maybe I will try it next time. So I felt like the amount of time that I spent on that chair, that should have come off, but it didn't. But also I think the position of it is not convenient for the brush to get there. Apart from those things that I've mentioned, I think the upholstery tool did a great job, so I will give it 8 out of 10. To remove the hose, press the hose release clip on the end of the hose and pull to remove. Make sure you close the hose connection port cover after using the hose so that the machine does not lose suction. To remove the upholstery tool, press the button at the top of the tool and pull it out. You might need to clean out the 2-in-1 tool just to get rid of any dirt that's stuck in there. Make sure you empty and rinse out the clean and dirty water tanks and leave them to air dry before replacing them. Do not leave solution stored in the tanks between uses either. Then I went ahead and cleaned the 2-in-1 tool just to get rid of any dirt that might be stuck in between the brush. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.